What is CSS? CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in HTML or XML. It allows developers to separate the structure of a document from its presentation, making it easier to maintain and update the look and feel of a website or web application. CSS was first proposed in 1994 by Håkon Guillaume Lie, a web pioneer and computer scientist from Norway. The first version of CSS, CSS1, was released in 1996, and since then, it has been developed and updated by the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, the organization responsible for standardizing web technologies. How CSS works? CSS works by providing a set of rules that define how HTML elements should be displayed. These rules are written in a separate file, known as a style sheet, which is then linked to the HTML document. The style sheet can also be written inline in the HTML document, but this is generally not recommended due to its maintenance challenges. The rules in a style sheet consist of a selector and a declaration block. The selector specifies the HTML element or elements to which the rule applies, and the declaration block contains one or more declarations, each consisting of a property and a value. CSS also provides a wide range of selectors, including element selectors, class selectors, ID selectors, attribute selectors, and pseudo-class selectors. This allows developers to apply styles to specific elements or groups of elements based on their characteristics or states. In addition to selectors, CSS also provides a range of properties and values for controlling the visual presentation of elements. These include font properties, color properties, layout properties, animation properties, and more. CSS frameworks and libraries. As web development has become more complex, developers have created a range of CSS frameworks and libraries to simplify the process of styling and layout. These frameworks typically provide predefined styles and layout options, which can be easily customized to meet the needs of a specific project. Some popular CSS frameworks include Bootstrap, Foundation, and Materialize, while popular CSS libraries include jQuery, React, and Angular. These frameworks and libraries help to speed up development and reduce the amount of code needed to achieve a desired visual result. CSS preprocessors. CSS preprocessors are tools that allow developers to write CSS in a more powerful and efficient way. They extend the basic CSS syntax by adding features such as variables, functions, and nested rules, which can help to reduce repetition and make the code more modular and maintainable. Some popular CSS preprocessors include Sass, Less, and Stylus. These preprocessors are generally used by developers who work on larger projects or who need to create complex or dynamic styles. Conclusion. CSS is a fundamental part of modern web development, allowing developers to separate the structure of a document from its presentation. It provides a powerful set of tools for controlling the visual presentation of HTML elements, and is constantly evolving to meet the needs of modern web development. With the help of CSS frameworks, libraries, and preprocessors, developers can streamline the development process and create visually appealing, responsive, and dynamic web applications.